The ancestor of every action is a thought. Ralph Waldo. When you're practicing or living, you have a real experience. That one has a profound principle. You need to think about your stuff. Why reason do you need to make this? We want to find an outcome. Why should I make it? Working is not the action. This related with how do you determine the action. That thought has the key of the question, because how many times do you usually think to care about having a specific field? Almost people is burned out and spend their energy when they don't clarify the real meaning of his choice. Our life has determined for us with things has not undone or unmoved. Always we go to school, brush our teeth and clean our bed, but why are you doing this? Thinking, concentrate our energy and we will focus with what does matter. Why reason do we concentrate on taking on your mind? Most of the things do not reach yet. It's because you have not clarified what the intended outcome is, or you have not decided what is the next step. The reason about why you lose at the moment to set a goal, it's because you trust in your ideas and storage your mind. Whatever goal you set is better writing in a paper, set a reminders in a notes and write a brainstorm with it. Your efficiency don't work as usually you work. Always is not enough. Even if you already decided on the next step, you will take a resolve a problem. Your mind cannot let go unless you write yourself reminder in a place in which you will without fail look. If you still work on the way, you will add more stress with your daily day.